Uh-oh.
Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Hey guys. So today I decided to do an extra video. Just rambling. If you don't like my rambling, just skip it, because it's just me speaking. So yeah. Why? Because my channel, it's like going nowhere, I guess. Today I got 2 views on my African video, so yeah, that got me thinking, why am I doing this if I get 2 views, you know? And then I do like a stupid short and I get 400 views, so it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to me. I do a short and I get 400 views, and another short and I get 300 views, and I do really put time and effort in stuff and do a long video and I get 2 views. My God, guys, that left me speechless, you know. So yeah, that's why today I'm making so many videos. I'm just experimenting with this YouTube stuff. So yeah, I try to get more views, I try to get more subscribers. And again, when I do shorts, I get like 10 subscribers on a stupid video, sorry to say so. And then I do a normal video and I get no subscribers. So explain that to me, you know. Maybe I'm not so in technology anymore as I was, you know. The new generation is coming, they like short, fast stuff, and I'm getting slow, you know. I'm like a grandfather, yeah. I cannot explain it otherwise. I really don't know, so that's why this video, just to tell you why I'm doing this shorts and stuff. I'm just experimenting, so to grow my channel, to get more subscribers, to get not more money. From shorts you don't earn anything, but yeah, even the monetization, it went down like 10 times, so now I can get like a 10 cent per day from all these ads that are running. Come on, guys. That's not even 1 beer. That's not even 1 beer. And yeah, it's really... I'm not doing this for money, of course. Before I was making like 50 cents. Now I'm back to 10 cents. But okay, 50 cents is 1 beer in Bosnia, so it's okay for me. 1 beer per day. Big Joe is happy. Yeah, but now I don't know what I'm doing wrong. You tell me in the comments, write down. Nobody comments on my videos. Why? Comment, guys. I don't bite if you write fuck you. Sorry, I'm not supposed to say that. But whatever you write, it's okay for me, you know. Even if you criticize me, criticize whatever, you know. It's okay for me. I will not hold it against you, you know. You say this, I will beat you up. No, I will not. I will not. It's a YouTube. Come on. So yeah, guys, comment. Always remember to comment. Nobody comments except one of my subscribers from Scotland. Yeah, my Scottish guy, the Highlander. I will call him the Highlander. He's the only one who comments. Come on. And my guys from Slovenia, but they don't count, you know. I tell them, watch my videos, comment. And they don't listen to me. My God, they don't listen to me. How will you listen to me? But please, guys, write a comment. Would you listen to me? No. Then write no. Anyways, yeah, it's kind of frustrating, you know. So yeah, guys, that just to clear the air, to tell you what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and so you're not confused with me putting all these shorts out. Not having an idea why am I doing this. So yeah, I'm doing it to experiment with YouTube algorithm, to get more subscribers, to get more views, but so far not very successful. Yeah, it was successful actually. From these shorts that I put out, I got 10 subscribers in one day. Usually get like 1 subscriber per day, so that's about 30 per month. So yeah, that's like 100% improvement, you know, if you get 10 subscribers per day. Come on, I'm a small channel. Who would watch this ugly face? Who? Oh, I'm so beautiful. I'm not saying if I was some blondie, you know, nice looking, I would be dancing, I would be doing other stupid things to get subscribers, but no, you know, you have a big fat man here in front of you, so be sure to subscribe. So yeah, I will not get subscribers on my looks. I'm aware of that. I'm not stupid, you know, as you think I am, but so yeah. Anyway, guys, this video has been way too long, I think, 5 minutes something. So yeah, just to let you know my thoughts on the channel, on everything. Hey, if you have any idea on how I should improve my channel, write it down in the comments. Write it down in the comments. Because, yeah, I'm getting kind of sad, you know, to get 2 views on a video. Especially, I mean, I was in Africa and I get 2 views for African video. I get it, it's not as interesting as Canary Islands, of course. Canary Islands, good. Or as Greece, good. But still, you know, one would expect more than 2 views per day, you know? Yeah. Anyway, that's why I did these videos. That's why I'm doing this video now, and I will publish it today. So this is fresh news. So yeah, that's it. That's basically it. What to say? Hope you enjoyed today's content. My attempts of to restart my channel, to you know, like that defibrillator of what is called, you know, when a person has a heart attack and you have to revive him. Yeah, that's what I tried to do today with the shorts, but who knows if I succeeded. So anyway, guys, yeah, I appreciate all of you that are sticking with me through these hard times. 2 views per long video, yeah, and that it just it saddens me, you know. Not because I'm not a attention seeker, you know, or something like that. I'm not. It just saddens me, you know. Maybe the video was not interesting. Sure, that can happen, but yeah. It was not doing good, like for half a month, I think. I got 10-20 views per video, so yeah. Anyways, yeah, if you like the video, press like, be sure to subscribe, write a comment and share the video, and you know, all that. You can see this disappointment in my voice. But yeah, guys, that's life. Let's hope you like my Bosnia and Herzegovina road trip. And from there we went to Croatia, to Dubrovnik, we went to Makarska. So nice cities. And be sure to expect that videos in October. When my African videos will end. African videos will end in 1st of October. So yeah, until then, if you don't like Africa, skip my videos. And then we go to Bosnia and Croatia, and I hope that it's much nicer, I think. I mean, our architecture and stuff, you know, the food, yeah, the food. Anyway, take care, guys, and see you in my next one. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.